Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Find My Mac. This helps you locate your Mac if ever it's lost or stolen. So first, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then click System Settings. At the top of System Settings, click your Apple account name. Now click iCloud. Next, click See All under the Apps Using iCloud section. Then a list of apps will appear. Scroll down and click Find My Mac. Now click Turn On. Your Mac may ask you to allow location services. Click on Allow so your Mac can be located on the map. You may also be asked to enter your Mac password to authenticate the change. Enter your password, then click on OK. Once enabled, Find My Mac should now show as turned on. You can now track your Mac using the Find My app on another Apple device or through iCloud. And that's how to turn on Find My Mac. If this video helped you, give us a like and subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials.